Welcome to our newest tutorial series, the Crochet Textures tutorial. In this video, we are going to compare the textures that you find in the Lace Edge Blanket with those that you find in the Lacy Edge Blanket. The lightweight yarn in these two stunning blankets really define these two pieces of crochet. Both use a lighter weight yarn. The Lace Edge Blanket uses a size 1 yarn and the Lacy Edge Blanket uses a size 2. By using these lighter weight yarns, your stitches look delicate. They're absolutely gorgeous. A lot of people are intimidated by using a lightweight yarn. These two blankets are perfect if you're not used to it or a little leery because most of the time you're working into a chain space. The stunning stitch combinations and the delicate stitches in these two gorgeous blankets make for wonderful baby gifts, christening gifts, and other precious gifts for baby. The Lace Edge Blanket is crocheted using Mary Maxim Twinkle yarn. Mary Maxim Twinkle comes in 14 gorgeous colors and is a size 1 fine weight yarn. To crochet the Lace Edge Blanket, we will be using a size E 3.5 millimeter hook. The textures in the Lace Edge Blanket are achieved by crocheting alternating rows of 2 single crochet, 2 chain, 2 single crochet, 2 chain, and then in the next row, working 4 double crochets into the chain space. Here we're going to give you an example by crocheting the stitches found in the center of the Lace Edge Blanket. We've already worked a row of 2 single crochet, 2 chain, 2 single crochet, 2 chain, and so on and so forth. And now we are working 4 double crochets into the chain space. The chain space is the space in between the 2 sets of single crochet. Refer to the pattern included in your kit for more detailed instructions. We'll now show you the same stitch using a super bulky weight yarn. We're going to finish with a double crochet into the last stitch. The Lacy Edge Blanket is crocheted using Mary Maxim's Baby's Best yarn. Baby's Best is a size 2 sport weight yarn and comes in 14 beautiful colors. Next, we're going to show you the stitches used in the center of the Lacy Edge Blanket. The Lacy Edge Blanket uses the cluster stitch to give it its beautiful textures. Start your row with a single crochet in the top of the next cluster stitch. Chain 3 and do a 4 double crochet cluster stitch into the next chain 3 space. To complete a 4 double crochet cluster stitch, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the chain 3 space. Then draw up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops on the hook. Do this 4 times, all in the same chain 3 space. Yarn over and draw through all 5 loops on the hook. Finish your cluster stitch with a chain 1. We'll now show you the same stitch using a super bulky weight yarn. Click the link in the description to purchase the Lace Edge Blanket or the Lacy Edge Blanket for more great tutorials and product highlights.